Hey mates, this is Brother Barnes. Let's talk about what is important for you to do to get started in Principles of Biology 1 Lab. Go to dashboard first. Actually, you're going to go out of your shell and you're going to find this Getting Ranger Ready module. Go through this, and at the very end, there will be a code that you can right click, copy, so that you can paste it later into the quiz that will unlock your entire semester for Principles of Biology 1 Lab. If you click Start here, it will actually tell you how to do all of this right here. I usually run everything by modules. Disregard these notes at the top, but here is where you will input the access code. When you click on this, you will agree to some terms and that you understand how the school works and how Canvas works. And then you will right click, paste the code, or you can type it in, and then that will give you access to the whole entire semester. The first week, you're going to do an introduction quiz, a tutorial, a pre-lab, a couple of labs, a discussion board, and a quiz. On a weekly basis, you will do a pre-lab and labs and a quiz. And as you can see, there are some other things that kind of get added in along the way. One of the other main things, let's go back home. One of the other biggies is that you will take your midterm, register for midterm. You will take this on campus, so click to pick the date that you want and go ahead and do that right away. Do that right now so that you can get the preferred time that you want. Also, the same thing for register for final exam. Go down to the bottom and click on the link, and then you can sign up for the time slot. It's hard to believe it's going to fly, but you're going to do great, and this is going to be a great semester for you. One of the other things that I want to point out, this is important for all of your classes at Northwest. Click on the icon, your icon at the top left. Make sure that you have settings complete. Make sure you have another outside email, and then go to notifications and make sure you have the bell. These are immediate notifications for due dates, grading, and then all the way at the very bottom, make sure you get administrative notifications. That will help you have a great experience at Northwest and with all your classes, so that you'll get notifications when you get announcements and when there are due dates upcoming. Let's go back and see if there's anything that we are missing. I don't think we're missing anything. You're going to get busy, and once you get busy, it's the content of these labs that will be what you will study for your midterm and your final and your weekly quizzes. So also another big thing is when you get close to the midterm, make sure you take the practice midterm. Make sure you take the practice final. Once you get there, make sure you take it multiple times, and I think you're going to do great. Enjoy it all, mates.